Okay, so here we are in our pretty pick spot on the cardboard on the top floor, right? Because, yeah. But we're going to take off the pan, take off some of the parts by the valve body, take off this back overdrive housing, and then get this thing flipped over on a sawhorse. So So since we got the overdrive housing out of the way, this should be fairly simple. We won't have to worry about this too much. Just remove all of these bolts and slide and pop it out of there. So as you can see over here, I already removed the neutral safety switch, but I got to take the shifting rod here off so that can slide out with the valve body. So I'm going to get that bolt out of the way and then slide the valve body out. Okay, so like I said, I pulled those two arms off of the shifting handle there, and then the whole valve body came forward, wrestled with the electric connector a little bit, popped that thing through. And once you had that done and that overdrive came through this hole out, and the valve body came right out. And so here I'm just going to reach around and loosen this band up. There we go. So this part here is out. Take that out. That holds the band in place. I'm actually going to put this tensioner back in this adjustment just so that it doesn't go anywhere. Next up, I've got, come on now, focus. 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 Got that snap ring right there to pull out. To be honest with you guys, I hate these sprags. They're way too easy to lose pieces. Alright, now I would bet if I just take this. Come on. Alright, so this is going to wrap up this episode. Pretty much, as you can see, we've got two full transmissions. I'm going to get the housings cleaned up, and then obviously we'll go from there. This is going to wait until parts come in and stuff like that, and I got to decide which parts to get. But I'm going to give you guys a layout of what my plan is here. We're keeping it somewhere in the middle, so we're not looking at billet internals or hardened internals. We're not going to be changing any of the shafts. But what we're going to do is we're going to shoot for 500 horse, say. So we'll do clutches all the way through it, new band, and switch from this. There's a older style band for these transmissions that doesn't have, that's a thicker band that is more band material versus this one. So we'll switch to that, and then we'll probably go to some, I'm thinking red altos for the clutches, and then we'll do shift kit, raise the line pressure, and the biggest part of this is going to be the torque converter. And I'm thinking just a high quality single disc torque converter will be fine. I don't think we'll go to a triple disc, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys next time.